Delegator.py.
A library for dealing with subprocesses.
What is Delegator.py?
Delegator.py is a library for dealing with subprocesses in Python. It is similar to pexpect and envoy, and it depends on pexpect.
What are the main features of Delegator.py?
Delegator.py includes two main functions, delegator.run and delegator.chain. One runs commands, either blocking or non-blocking, and the other runs a chain of commands separated by the standard Unix pipe operator.
How does the basic run functionality of Delegator.py work?
Delegator.py's basic run functionality is simple. For instance, delegator.run ls returns the contents of the current directory. The output can be accessed by calling c.out, where c is the command object returned by the function. If the command is long-running, the block argument must be set to false in order to run it asynchronously, and c.block has to be called manually to wait for it to complete.
How does the basic chain functionality of Delegator.py work?
Delegator.py's chain functionality allows chaining of multiple commands. For example, delegator.chain fortune calc runs fortune and passes its output to calc. The output of the last command is returned from the function.
Does Delegator.py support expect functionality?
Delegator.py has expect functionality built in, and it can be used on non-blocking commands. For instance, c.expect password waits for the output of a command to contain the password prompt and then sends the password through c.send password.
What other functions can be accessed with Delegator.py?
Delegator.py includes additional functions like c.kill to stop a running command, c.send sigterm signal equals true to send a signal to a running process, c.error to access the error output, and c.std_error to access the standard error output.
How is Delegator.py installed?
Delegator.py can be installed using pip.
Can you please give us a simple example?
Yes. Basic run functionality example is here. Commands can be passed in as lists as well, e.g., ls, lrt, for parameterization. Basic chain functionality example. Expect functionality is built in too, on non-blocking commands example. Other functions. Find the project here https://github.com/amit001/delegator.py.
Conclusion.
If you need to run multiple subprocesses in your Python program and you want a clean, simple library to handle them, consider using Delegator.py. Its straightforward functions and expect functionality make it an excellent choice for dealing with subprocesses. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.